Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Afreen. I hope you're doing really well. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this new launch. So this has been launched by Garnier. This is vitamin C 30 times booster serum. They actually sent in this product a week ago, and I actually got an opportunity to try this product. Now coming back towards this product, the packaging is super classic. It's the decent serum bottle that you get, and to be honest, this is super affordable. Like, this is so cheap. You get this 30 ml bottle just for rupees 449, which is great. You must be knowing how expensive vitamin serums usually are. So yeah, this is what the serum bottle looks like. This is great. To be specific, I tried it, for a couple of times. Like, I tried it twice, thrice maybe, yeah. And so far this product claims to lighten your dark spots and pigmentation. It actually provides hydration, and the formula of this product is like so lightweight that you don't have to worry about the weather. Like, because we live in India, it's a warm country, a lot of humidity and stuff, but this product is like super light. It's literally like water. It is not at all oily or greasy, so it just gets soaked up into the skin so well. Like, I quickly want to show you how this feels like. So I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3 drops of it and just warm it up between my fingers and quickly light-handedly apply it onto my skin with very light-handed circular motion massage, and voila, it's completely soaked up into my skin in like few seconds, and it gives like really nice natural glow. Also, it smells great. Like, I usually love Garnier's fragrance, like Garnier's products fragrances, and this is great too. It is so refreshing and nice, and as I said, it's non-sticky, very lightweight, great for summer as well. So yes, I can't wait to try this bottle for a couple of months and then actually come back with a detailed review. So now this product claims to lighten your dark spots and pigmentation, and you'll be able to see the results from 3 days itself, which is great. And the best way to use it, like for great result, you have to use it in the morning and night. So what I usually do is I clean my face with this Garnier micellar water using a cotton pad, and once my face is clean, I then go ahead with the serum and then apply a moisturizer, and then you're good to go. So yes, I absolutely would recommend this product to all skin types. This is a great vitamin C serum. If you're looking for an affordable option, just go for it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do let me know in the comment section below if you are excited to try it, or if you have any questions, you can ask me. So yes, I will see you guys super soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.